Tired of making special trips to the bank just to deposit a check? What if you could deposit it from your couch, in your pajamas, with a few simple taps on your phone? Well, you can. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to deposit checks using the Poppy Bank app. It's a convenient, secure, and ridiculously easy way to handle your money without ever leaving the house. First things first, you need the Poppy Bank mobile app, so if you don't have it already, head to your app store to download it. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit option. It's usually right on the main menu or a button at the bottom of the screen. Tap that, and you'll be on your way. Now, before you go any further, grab the check you want to deposit. On the back, you need to sign it. This is called endorsing the check. Many banks also require you to write for mobile deposit only or to check a box that says something similar. Do that now to make sure your deposit goes through smoothly. Next, the app will prompt you to take pictures of the front and back of the check. Lay the check on a flat, dark surface with good lighting. Hold your phone steady and make sure all four corners of the check are within the frame. The app's camera will likely auto-capture the image when it's perfectly in focus. After you've got a good shot of the front, flip it over and repeat the process for the back. Once the app has accepted both images, you'll be asked to enter the exact amount of the check. It's super important to double-check this number to avoid any issues. Then, you'll choose which account you want the money to go into. When all the information looks correct, hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation right away, but keep in mind that deposits are subject to verification and may not be available for immediate withdrawal. Poppy Bank's typical processing time is 1 to 2 business days. It's also a good idea to hold on to the physical check for at least 14 days, just in case there are any questions. After that, shred it to protect your information. That's all there is to it. Mobile check deposit with Poppy Bank is a game changer, giving you the freedom to bank on your schedule. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.